Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
We just dropped 100 shots, we finna come again. I ain't on that hot shit today, I'm with my other friend. I'm finna spend 350 in a mirror, I'm 100 in. I'm finna go buy 50 pints, they got 100 in. And Rio say he want the rest, make it 100 then. We finna count a million on our hands, go get some rubber bands. You say you like the way I rap, let me fuck you then.
Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Whiteski23. Back with another video, man. I got my boy all-wheel drive 5.7 in the back, man. As y'all can see, we got some new interior lights. I've been spicing this thing out, bro. Oh wow, random the person in the middle of the road. But yeah, man, I've been spicing this thing out, bro. We about to catch a highway. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. If y'all came from the last video, welcome back, you know what I'm saying? I'm glad y'all returned. I feel like y'all gonna like this video a little bit more, man. This video, more of a vibe, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get on the highway. Y'all see? Yes, sir, nigga. We finna get on the highway. Yeah. Y'all see it, man. He don't want to pull up. He don't want to pull up. Goodbye. Goodbye, my nigga. Goodbye. That was cute though, that was cute. That little 5.7 got some power to it. Damn. That little 5.7 got some power to it, I ain't gonna lie. But this turbo something different. This turbo something different, I ain't gonna lie, man. This turbo something different, bruh. Let's hear what he got to say. Ah! Facts. Oh shit. Hey man, we gonna get right back to y'all. Y'all, we back. Getting on the highway right now. Sheesh. Golly. keep forgetting I'm cruising, man. I done left my homeboy. I'm tripping. My fault, y'all. I'm just trying to get y'all some content, bro, because I feel like y'all tried me on that last video, bro. I really cut up, bro. Like, I really do this, but I'm just smart, bro. I'm not a dummy, bro. So, like, I gotta be smart, bro. But I really get like that, like, for real. I think this my boy right here. Oh, nah, hell no, that's not. Oh, wait, this probably him behind me. I'm tripping, bro. Let me get to the right. Oh, yeah, that's him, that's him. Hey, man, I'm gonna call him real quick, because he said he wasn't trying to go near the city because it was hot, because it's 12. But I'm gonna call him real quick and see what he want to do, because going this way, it ain't really gonna be nothing if we ain't cutting up. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all, bro. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we back. We had to take some thumbnail pictures real quick. Y'all can hear his car with my windows down or up, bro. Like, his car just loud regardless. He got so much work done to that. I think fully straight pipe. I think he just went catless. He done a lot to this, bro. I ain't gonna cap. The only thing he missing is like an engine swap, bro, for real. He a 5.7 Demon, but he just missing that engine swap, and then he gonna be set for real, bro. But I'm already knowing he finna try to go SRT, bro. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get on the highway, because I gotta save my footage, bro. I gotta save my storage, bro. Love y'all. If y'all liking the video so far, like, comment, subscribe, bro. And I'm gonna get back to y'all, bro. We seen 2 cops coming back this way, bro. So we gonna see, bro. He better be on that smart stuff, because I don't know, man. But y'all, we are back on the highway. I think he wanna, oh yeah. Y'all listen to his car, bro. This shit sound crazy. Let's get it. But like, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this car just survived. Like, you telling me you get in a Mustang and you just see an average Mustang, like, yeah, you see your Chargers and shit with this, but you don't see no Mustang doing this, bro. Like, that's one thing about me, bro. I'm finna turn up these Mustangs, bro. That's one thing, bro. I'm finna turn up these Mustangs for y'all. I'm gonna make y'all fall in love with a Mustang if you ain't already, bro. No cap. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. And y'all see, we are beating 5.7s. Like, that's my dog. That's my dog, too. I ain't gonna lie. But we is beating 5.7s. We a Mustang. We beating 5.7s, bro. This is a 2.3 turbo Mustang. Do your research. This ain't no regular 4-cylinder. I think my homeboy pulling back up. I think my exit coming up. No cap. Hey man, go get y'all some Fago. The big gas, no cap. Fago go crazy, man. I love Fago, bro. Yo, these roads are so trash, y'all. I don't even know if I'm going the right way, bro. I really don't know. Hopefully I am. If not, I'm possibly end up on some back roads, and then I could get some pools for y'all or whatever. Y'all comment down below how y'all day was, man. Y'all know I gotta ask y'all every day, man. Today I found out some crazy news. Some blessings on the way, man. Blessings on the way for my peoples. And I hope y'all got some blessings on y'all way, man. I ain't gonna cap. Yeah, man, y'all comment below. Y'all comment below how y'all day was. And follow me on Instagram at whiteski23. Same name, everything, whiteski, you gonna see me. Y'all follow me on Instagram, whiteski23. I need y'all to support me, bro. I'm finna turn up, bro. No cap. I'm gonna make this 2.3 the craziest 2.3 on the internet. I'm telling you, bro. And all the haters, I don't care. Y'all ain't lining up, cause I know how to race, twin. I'm telling you, I know how to race. Y'all gonna have to line it up. You beat me, I respect you. But that still don't mean you better than me. Just cause your car faster don't mean you just drive better. Sheesh. Whoa, what is this? Yo, I'm sorry for the all the bumps and stuff. My head mount, hey man, it's probably my head. I don't know, bro, but this shit be banging. Like, pause, but like this shit be banging everywhere, bro. Any hill or bump I go over, bro, my camera shaking every time. I hope it ain't that bad on camera, but hey man, we gotta fix it. Take another sip of my blueberry Fago. No cap. This bit it. No cap. But y'all, I do got some more content on the way. I'm about to start giving y'all a little bit more like getting to know me content. Y'all gonna see my little humor, my entertainment part. I'm gonna get y'all a little bit more content on the way, man. We got a special guest coming. Y'all gonna see that soon. Just stay tuned, man. Look at that dog. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but it is a dog out this Bronco. Dang, I ain't gonna lie, that look like a great day, ain't no cap. Telling y'all, bro, every bump I go over, bro, like the camera just shakes. It's crazy. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get on this back road, cause I gotta save my storage, bro. I gotta keep reminding y'all, bro. Y'all like, so I can get a freaking new camera setup or whatever. I might get a GoPro, I don't know. The quality ain't that good on GoPros, in my opinion. I like recording off my phone. But y'all like, comment, so I could do whatever to get this fixed, man. Alright, y'all, we are back. Know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Get y'all a good ass pull right here. gotta like for that, bruh. Y'all gotta like for that one, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, we on the back roads with it. Going crazy, man. Y'all see, man, this bit don't play. I told y'all this don't play. The name of the car is Turbo, so if you fuck with the car, comment down Turbo right now. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said, bro. Ooh, snap. That Fago getting to me, bro. But we gonna get back to y'all in the next video, man. I love y'all, bro. Peace out, Whiteski 23.